Hello and welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 950. This is delivery drone theme, something like that, chaos. So this guy wants remote and goggles. We forgot that one object at the top there. Pick up all these. Now you've got this bottom right and bottom left. So that's 4-1. And this is top left and top right 3-5. Oop, and 4-1, sorry. Oh, I went past it. Okay, open up that, get the crowbar, get this stuff out. Also get these bananas out, and also open up that crate. Now we've got the circle part, and that opens up that. And then we've got Darren's drone delivery. And this is Darren there, so let's type his name in, DARREN, and that opens up our safe. We get that out, we get the remote and the goggles together, give that to him, and put the 20 bananas in this pipe. Pull this so the key starts coming out, and unlock this. There you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 950. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.